On behalf of Snowflake and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused around accelerating data disruption, where you will hear how Snowflake and Deloitte helped a state public health agency optimize disease outbreak management initiatives by consolidating critical data silos, improving sensitive data governance, and automating manual processes for timely, actionable insights.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Robert Latham. I lead Snowflake's state and local and higher education sales engineering team. So appreciate everybody making the time to spend with us this afternoon. With me, I have two other gentlemen that I'd like to introduce. Uday Katira is the Managing Director for Strategy and Analytics of Deloitte Consulting. And also with us is Mark Kachansky. Mark is a senior account executive with Snowflake as well. So, gentlemen, thank you for joining us. We're going to have a bit of a panel discussion and highlight an opportunity with a large state health organization. This is an opportunity that we both had the luxury of being able to participate and work with. And we felt like this was a really good project to highlight and talk about on today's session. Part of the reason for that is it really, I think, will highlight a lot of the common customer goals and objectives that you all will have with this type of a project, as well as the unique, this particular project was a health project. And so, in this unique pandemic period that we've been going through, it really has changed some of the topics and the ways we do business.